Hey. What are you doing, dickhead? You see the fucking red light? Now you can go. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Does that sound like a good idea? I'd be like, you know what? I'm a big fan of Lindsay, but no, that doesn't sound like a good idea. They don't understand.
Nice stop sign.
At the end of it, they're like, all right, great. For all
Nice
these
stop
things,
sign.
it's going to cost you another $3 a month this month. And I go, fantastic. But I'd also go like...
The fuck?
Bogans, bogans, bogans.
Europe, and how our Academy of Science became so involved.
Well done, dickhead.
The things at the Australian Academies.
The lockup was supposed to be built up to that. Oh, you a fucking wanker.
You know, these are God's prophets. They're doing their job. They're actually getting it right.
I knew he was going to do that.
Exactly what God told him to say.
I fucking knew he was going to do it.
Don't go up on that.
I knew he'd do it.
Hill. Don't you go up on that hill, though. Well, there you go. Thank you so much for that. This is... we're going to get some letters. And you're welcome to write into us. Our email address.
You're the one who fucking pulled out in front of traffic, cockwomble.
Your ideas are intriguing to me, and I wish to subscribe to your newsletter.
Turn your blinker off, moron.
The children at the beginning.
Yeah.
I watched this movie with Rob, and I felt like oddly nervous for him.
One eternity later.
I definitely want to say slumber party situation.
Great.
He's right,
Me and my friends.
Yeah. That's a slumber party.
Yeah.
Part is.
You turned right.
No 24,
Turn right from the left fucking lane.
With their left blinker on.
With the left blinker on.
According to a CIA source, Stumped, the agency hired a Chicago truck driver who had a reputation for being able to cause images of objects many kilometers away to appear on a photo negative held against his forehead.
Oh, not a fucking another one.
The photo produced by the truck driver showed...
It's refused to provide the numbers, saying it may affect the contractor's reputation. What an absolute mess. The former hospital project abroad was warning of some of the problems, and he told the Energy Minister Chris Bowen he was dreaming.
The fuck are you doing?
Thus bedeviling historians looking for the one honest man. For example, let's return to the story about Kirby coming to good...
No manure, no mud, no rat droppings, clean ingredients. Because after all, 90% of the customers report better sleep with CBD. 81% say CBD helps with stress and anxiety. 80% report less pain after physical activity. And 2.1% report changing their identity
Are you
and
for
moving
fucking
to
real?
Guatemala.
No.
And you can do these type of things too.
Except that, which is not
Both of
something
you
that
fucking
people
go.
do.
Well, but you're entirely entitled to do it if you want to. And you can take your CBD products along.
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a nut.
You just said 20% of women. Don't tell me what I did when you tell me 2 out of 10 already.
Okay, I would argue that
Calm down,
2 out of 10
Francis.
men are ready to be husbands.
I don't care. It doesn't matter.
Mate, you technically didn't indicate for coming over when I let you in. This grumpy old bastard. It's he's way past his knockoff time. He needs to get to the pub. He's pretty pissed off he's getting held up here.
Oh, really? Dumbass?
Yeah, what has this dumbass done? Nope, it's fucking you. Well done, dumbass. Fucking utes.
You're walking in circles. You're
What the fuck? Are you fucking seriously? I want to fucking go. What are you doing? I want to go.
No, it's in, I can see it.
You can't block the fucking road.
Your stem.
Go that way.
It's in your pocket. I can see it.
Go. Go.
Sir, I don't smoke.
Left lane.
So then how would this end up in your pocket?
You fucking lunatic.
There when I got on the bike, there were 2 people, but I don't smoke.
Oh.
Like,
Against the wishes of a tenant.
How much stuff you got left to go, man?
Fucking seriously? Really?
And they described my car. I don't know my 28, but I know my car. If you describe it to me. I'm driving down this way. I see Solomon parked down there. And I'm like, why ain't he doing nothing?
Officers begin transporting the suspect to jail.
All these bloody bike riders. Pigeons of the road.
I just, we're gonna run the test again. Are you gonna run the test or not?
Hmm.
Yeah? Well, we gotta get
Going
up here.
straight through red lights. Another one, red light. Stupid bitch.
Kelly, I asked you not to take pictures. No.
I can't say come get my kids.
The fuck are you?
Make phone calls whenever you get to the deal. Me being here by myself, I cannot allow you to make phone calls and texts.
Fucking do that shit with me, boy.
Yes, this is your
I will shut that shit down, no exceptions.
Yeah, just to get to where we gotta go, okay? Come with me, please. Yes.
Fucking seriously? Fuck you. Dickhead.
Listen, like my sergeant was telling you, this is gonna be a...
Whoa, what a fuckwit. AXF 35S. No, just go, mate. We've got a cop coming anyway. I'll be pulling over in a minute, possibly.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Stop it. Get some help.
Hummer.